Need them down. No. I got birdies, but they refuse to come down my hole. I have a chicken as well. There's a chicken up there. I have like 3 parrots and they're up there. And they refuse to come down. See? See the little... See them? I have like 2 red ones, but I don't know where they went. I don't know if they're up there as well. I don't know if I have to make the hole bigger. I said I would take the roof off and I never did. Can you come down? Oh wait, you can actually stay up there. But I don't know if I should keep this. Actually, it doesn't make sense. Now that I look at it. I was gonna make a, yeah, I'm kidding. And then I'll put the I was gonna make, excuse me, I didn't mean to burp in my, and then I'll put, there it is. And then we just have to cook one. That's the one. Cook. Also I found, oh yeah, I already talked about that. I'm just carrying things around in my inventory. Also I found some, cocoa beans, so I might make some cookies later. I never found these either. I never found any birds in a while. Oh wait, no wait. Do I need 2? No, just the 1. Plop, and then plop. Also, meet Dream. Because he's green, so I decided to call him Dream. I don't know why. There, you can sit there. The other 2 can go at my house, if you want. Is that what you want? I like have birds all over. I found these in the jungle that's by the, can you hurry up and be daytime? What do you think, Dream? Also, he was a green parrot. Also, Dream was a green parrot when he was a parrot, so I called him Dream. I don't know. It was tired, okay. And also, I made a boat out of the spruce wood. Did I just hear a ding? Did you stop on me? Nope. I thought my camera stopped on me. I needed this to bring Bird Dream with me. I should call him something else, actually. What can I name you? Tell me. I don't know what to name those 2. There's 2 up there, by the way. Yeah. Because they were right there, and it's so weird because one's just like flying and one's flying the other way. Can you make it daytime already? Then I might even start doing that. Do I have enough? Do. So I might just let's wait. I think she did. I might have to look her up. This one. Just a sec. I'm just peeking at her. What's happening? Hey, you! Are you making noise? Are you making that? Are you making squishy sounds? Don't. It sounds like you guys are dying. I don't want you guys to die. Stop. Okay, it's coming daytime. Can you get to the basement already? Did you already do it? And now there's a red one down here. And now you... Okay. Hi. I don't know where you can sit. I don't know where you can perch. So I guess you can sit there for now. Sit. 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 Then... make sure I can fit things in between. Okay. I don't know if I picked that up or not. Oh yeah, I have him on my shoulder now. Aw. Then. Will you stop making slime sounds, please? And then, plop. Then I might put like 2 up here. Ah. I'm messing up. Boo. I don't know. I just named a red one on. What do you think? Looks good? Yep, thanks. I don't know if I should make it. Stop! Stop making... Oh, now you're making zombie sounds. Mother frickers. Yeah, I need to get those Yeah, I know I need to go explore that cave. But right now I need to do that. We need to like... Hi! Hi, Boo! I don't know why I decided to name him Boo. Boo! Stop! You're as bad as the You're as bad as the what's it called? You're as bad as the slimes. Okay, so stop. Okay, you're in the way. So where is this torch? I should take this off actually. Just for now, I likely no, that doesn't make sense. How do I get up? I'll likely take this off and then make stairs over here. Now they're all down here. I'll likely make stairs up there. So stop. 1, 2. I hope this looks good. There. It's uneven. And then, oh wait, maybe, stop! It's uneven. Okay, stop. Where are you? Stop or I'll put you in timeout. I know I have to go kill those zombies. Just don't feel like it right now. There. Sure, that looks dumb, but I don't care. I likely make a reason for that being there. Do I even have any? I ran out of wood. How many do I get out of this? See how this goes. Wait! I can have dual parrots? Look at this! I didn't know that is possible. I didn't know you can have two parrots on your shoulder. I only ever seen one. Okay, so let me see. That is amazing. I get amazed by little things, by the way. I might have to like move this over there. And then make this like, I don't know what to make this out of and do. I was like, do what I did over here, over there. I'm just like running, gesturing to both. Okay, so I know what I did. So I need to do. My throat hurts from yelling at this stupid birds. I might just like make it even. Stop. So I can place it and then see where I can put wood. Stop. Stop or I'll jump and make you get off my shoulder. No, you're cute and adorable. You're cute and adorable, but you're annoying. Okay, so it looks like I have devil horns. That's why I was like, wait a minute. And then might even like leave it like that. There. This. And then stop. Might have to take this as well. To make it look even. Between the birds and the flies. Unless there's like a natural. I can't even tell if there's any slimes around anymore. Maybe just do this a little bit. There. Don't have that much stairs. Stop. Let's do one more. See. Wait, I can do that. I just forgot I could. What? What pushed me? Ah. Yeah, you can sit there for a bit. I know I said I hated doing this, but I might have to. Oh, you're both off my shoulder. I thought one of you were only off. Yeah, I'll take this off. Hello, I am here. Okay. Let's just see what I have to work with. Yeah, I might have to take. Hi. Sit. Come here. Where'd you go? You on my shoulder? Nope. Oh, you're right in front of me. I'm blind. Don't mind me, I'm blind. There's no slimes around. See, there's no slimes around. Crazy birds. So, ouch. So I'll have to do that. And then, Might just take it off internally. Just take all this off. Just to see what I can work with. Or should I'll just take this one off for now. So I can climb down it here. I think it's a dumb idea that I have this down here. What do I want again? Shovel. Give me the shovel. I swear to God. Stop. You may be green, but you're not a slime. What are you doing down here? Oh, I need to hurry up and build. Just taking this off is hard. Hi, chicken. I thought you were one of my birds. It's hard to tell if there's a monster actually around. With parrots. Give. Ouch. Apparently I got 2 zombies and a slime going on. I might go over to the village just for tonight. Yeah, fuck you guys. Yeah, you'll be like the chicken. See if I can find it again. Or even just dig underground. Or I can actually explore down here. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I will do it. Ouch. That's not even a mine. What the heck? Aw. My pickaxe died. But there is a mine down there. Uh-oh. Might just dig down here. Just for a sec. Just for the night. How do I want it? I think I want it bigger than the base. Even though I don't need it to. Might even make just a base area that I made already into just a storage area, even though I don't need it. But with how much stuff I actually get, I actually need it. Even though I'll likely forget what I actually have. Ouch. I have knots in my hair. What? I have knotty hair. Yeah, there's like a bat somewhere, so must be like a cave somewhere. Do 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 do. How does he? I watched the couple. I watched a Minecraft tutorial on how to build a house, but I'm trying to remember because I don't have my phone to actually watch the video. I think he just makes he just like makes a base, and then just from there he just makes a house. Trying to think of how I want it. I kind of want a mix of what I made with something modern. Not modern. Sorry, I had an itch on my nose. Do 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 do. Or should I just go get a snacky? I should also, if I get an actual computer, I would also like to stream. I don't know, because I think I'm better with streams. Or like the talking and stuff. I'm better at like just like streaming instead of like the editing. Because even this, I don't edit any of my videos. I can hear the chicken. Yeah, you know you're there. I saw him. I saw the chicken. What's up? I just got a notification. Because I posted like 4 videos yesterday, and I'm not posting any today. I haven't posted any. Saying that those ones run its course. Because I don't know what to do on those. Because with these ones, I can just like do one of these, and then I mean, I like the night, but it just takes so long. What the fuck? I think one of the I think one of the parrots are just a witch, and all of a sudden I just hear it just sounded like a little baby witch. That was the cutest thing I've ever heard. I don't know why I thought that was so cute. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Yep. I heard a phantom. I saw a phantom. That's why I put the dirt. Na 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 na. So I better get those that wool that I saw. I make a bed. And stop slacking. I think I just have to make a layout first. I might just use, how much cobble do I have? None. Oh, I have 41. I have 41 cobblestone. I also have to make a garden. I should just put all this stuff in a... I am going to see like one of those phantom's heads right there, and I'm gonna be scared. Go away, cave sound. Hey, the trees are waving at me. Kidding. It's windy out. According to my phone, it's minus 0. I mean plus 0, not minus 0. So it's warm out. And I think it melted some. The snow melted some. There's also a skeleton not that far away. Might need to. I'm both. I got goosebumps on my arms because I'm cold. But at the same time, my body is both hot and cold. So I don't know if I'm getting a cold or something. I'm afraid. Ever since I saw that phantom, I'm afraid. Yeah, because there's like a skeleton around. And I might have to go fight him. He's underneath one. I think there's like spruce. I need to get those. Just so there's no more skeletons that hide underneath the trees. There's like birch trees right over here. To the left here. I think this is the left. I don't know if it's safe. Oh. Where are you, skeleton? What's up? Is that you? This whole time? Better not been. Pick up all this dirt. Hi. Forgot you were back there. She's like, hi, I'm right here. I'm still here. I'm still here. Still here. So, because I don't need, if I make a too big of house, I will run out of. Okay, I will go find it. Okay, just give me a sec. You know what? Don't have a pickaxe. Can I open it with you on it? Nope. How is a little parrot holding it down? Move. Thank you. Just saying, your skeleton impression is terrible. No offense. Where'd you go? Okay. See how. Because I don't have that much space. Egg. Oh yeah, I was mining this out. Still space it down over here. Let's make it even. Because everything else has like this little skate base right here. Oh, except for this one too. So I don't know what I did. Because I have like little things over here. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Red, what do I do? I can do that for now. There's also zombies around, so I don't know what, because these guys are making zombie noises. But I don't know how big I should make it. I think like other people can just like look at a space and just like, because I wanted it on this hill because of like the view and just how amazing that would be to have like a little house on a hill. And now I'm seeing how hard it is to actually do that. I might need to make this. It looked way bigger than I initially thought. I should have brought it up more, I think. Should have made it up more. Shush! Cease! Stop making zombie noises. I don't know where those zombies are. Because I don't want it that big. Or is that... What do you think? Sorry, I didn't mean to pull a bow at you. What do you think? Or should I make it bigger? Yeah, you're just gonna make zombie noises at me. How much space do I have? So I don't know. Where do I want to make the entrance first off? Now you're making skeleton now you're making spider noises? There must be like a cave or something around because they're making weird noises. Shush. Cease. Your impressions are impeccable, but stop. Because earlier they were making when I was bringing them, they were making doggo noises. Now they're making monster noises because that's all they hear. And it was so cute when it was a doggo voice. It was doggo. And now it's just